Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Whether or not you need to have your own product to become a successful affiliate marketer is a question that has been asked and answered every few minutes since affiliate marketing came on the scene. The reason it is asked so often is because everybody has a different answer. There are those who say you absolutely must have your own product to get started and to succeed in affiliate marketing, and then there are those who say you don't need a product when you start or ever to be successful. So, which is it? Yes? No? The fact of the matter is that everybody is right. Having your own product is great, but it isn't absolutely necessary. Those who have their own product can build a website around that product and add affiliate links to it. Those who don't have their own products can still create a great website and be an affiliate marketer. Producers of products love affiliate marketers, and products are not the least bit hard to find. The thing that both those who do and those who don't have their own product have in common is that they both must be passionate about the products they sell. You will never be successful in selling something that you aren't interested in yourself. It takes drive and ambition to succeed at any endeavor, and affiliate marketing isn't any different. You must be passionate about a product or an idea in order to keep your drive and ambition alive and well for the long haul. Whether you are marketing your own product or a product produced by others, your success is directly related to how effective your marketing techniques are, how focused you are, how well you manage your time, and how much you believe in the product. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier, a multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net